So, mag-aayos ako ng milk ni Ayla. Kasi nga, pupunta kami sa hospital ni Christian. So, iwan ko si Ayla sa kapitbahay. Kasi hindi pwedeng dalhin sa hospital si Ayla. So, maglagay muna ako ng milk dito. Dito, para i-refill ko. Diyos ko, biglaan guys. Kasi mainit pa rin ang katawan niya. Mainit pa rin ang katawan ni Christian. 2, 3. Tapos, confused siya minsan. So, kailangan na kaming pumunta ng hospital. What you say? Oh my God, Christian, you're playing with me. Ayaw din na pumunta ng doktor. Kung saan pa na. We're going now. So, yeah, ayusin ko lang ito. Ito pala guys, daming mga dadalhin sa kabilang bahay kasi nga, nandun muna si Ayla. So, siguro kasya na yan kasi darating naman yung tatay dyan ng 8 o'clock. Tunog ang baby. Yung pasyente natin, tayo natin sa hospital yun guys. Ibigay ko lang yung susi para in case na kailangan siya dito sa bahay. Mga damit ni Ayla. Extra. Tapos, dami. Kaya ko ng dami niya. Hindi mo nakasabi pa dami. Right. So, ngayon guys, kakausapin ko muna. Nag-prepare na ako pero hindi ko nakausap yung kapitbahay ko. Kausapin ko muna yung kapitbahay ko guys kung papayag siya na alagaan si Christian. Pero kapag di siya papayag, meron pa kami isang option na mag-alaga yung kay Ayla. So, labas muna tayo saglit. So, nandito na kami sa hospital, guys. Bali, tinitingnan na si Christian. Pero obserbaran pa siya before kami uuwi. So, ayan, naglalaro siya. Mukhang okay naman na siya. Kumpara dati, medyo okay siya ngayon. Where are you? You're hiding. Christian, you're not allowed to open the... Please. Are you okay now? Are we going home?
No.
Are we going home now? I think you need to sit down because the doctor gonna give you something, a medication. What animal is this, Christian? Look, got loads of animals. Can you spot the pigs? Pigs, oh yeah. Where's the goat? Oh, chicken. Oh, where's the cabbage? Oh, that's healthy cabbage down there. Carrots? You like carrots?
No.
Why?
I'm so cute like carrots.
You like carrots, right? Not carrot cake.
I eat hot cake.
You hate carrot cake, but you love carrots, yeah?
Yeah.
Good boy. So what about fish? Is there any fish there?
I know, Mama.
You don't know.
You know here. No fish here.
No fish there. I see that some of them. A small lake there. Is that lake? A pond?
Yeah, fun.
A pond. Yeah.
Yeah, a pond.
Yeah. So how are you feeling now? How's your feeling now, Christian? Pauwi. I'm gonna film you. Christian. Pauwi na kami. Hala. Well, na si Christian guys. Oh, magic. It's a magic. Look for the car. What is that big jacket of yours? Wala kami dalang jacket ni King. Kasi nga, ang init niya kanina. Pero ngayon, nilalamig na siya. You're so cute with that jacket. Morning, guys. Tignan niyo si Christian, si Kuya. He's not well still. So, alas 12 na pero tulog pa din siya. At saka dito na siya sa baba natulog. Kasi dito kami natulog na ila sa kwarto niya. Kasi nga, dyan dapat siya. Kasi nga, he's not well. So, dito kami ni Ayla sa lapag. Ayun, bumaba din. Naki-join na sa amin ni Ayla. So, Christian. Have a drink, Christian. Have a drink, sweetheart. Ako, kailangan niya mag-inom ng water. Say good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ayla. Good morning. Kuya, wake up. Kuya Christian, wake up. Kuya Christian, wake up, please. Wakey, wakey, Kuya Christian. Ayaw pa ni Christian magising. Masama pa rin talaga pakiramdam niya. So, I think, hayaan muna natin si Kuya Christian dito sa room niya. We're gonna go down. Okay? Yeah? We're gonna go down. Ang buhok ko. We're going down. Okay? We're gonna wait Kuya Christian there. Downstairs. Yeah? Okay? Are you approve with that? Ayaw ni Kuya Christian magising eh. Ayaw pa niya bumaba. We're going down now. Say, okay, mommy. Say, okay, mommy. Okay. So, Christian. So, ayaw ni Christian bumaba, guys. Tayo na lang bababa. Ayaw na lang siya. Masama pa rin pakiramdam ni Kuya Christian until now. So, let's go down. Parang mayroong sulat akong natanggap today. Baka yun na yung sagot ko. Baka yun na yun, guys. Tingnan natin yung sulat. Right. Good morning, everyone. So, let's check nahulog. I'm so sorry, guys. Diyan na kayo. Nahulog yung charger ko. So, let's check. Sulat ay na. Let's see, guys, dito sa taas para it's okay. Yan. So, let's open the letter. Na-address kay Master Christian. Ito guys, Master ang tawag na dito pag lalaki na bata. Master. Tingnan nyo. Master Christian. Master. Diba? Kita niya Master. Master yan. So, let's say, ito na ba yun? Then, okay, Christian has been referred to speech and language therapy. We would like now to arrange an appointment. Okay, thank you. Ayun na, natanggap na si Christian sa speech and language therapy, guys. So, meron na si Kuya Christian na therapy. Yay! Sana makahelp ito kay Kuya Christian, no? So, ano mangyari now? Child under 16 must be accompanied by a person with parental responsibility. If it is not the possible, please ring to discuss giving consent or blah blah blah. The therapist will not be allowed to see your child without the permission. Okay. So, if I have not heard from you by 5th of January, I will assume Christian Farai is no longer needs appointment. So, kailangan kong tumawag. So, please ring during our office hours as soon as you receive this letter. So, kailangan ko na tumawag today para mapabook na si Christian ng kanyang speech therapy. Yay! I'm so happy, guys! Yay! Congrats! So, we're so happy, guys, na meron ng speech therapy at na si Kuya Christian, natanggap siya. So, let's see. Kasi medyo yung sabi ng teacher nung nakaraang 2 weeks ago na-enhance na rin daw yung speech ni Kuya Christian. So, it's like, maintindihan na yung mga words niya. Hindi siya masyadong completely na maintindihan sometimes, but na-improve na daw yung yung speech ni Kuya Christian. So, parang meron na din possibility na okay, yung speech niya, no? Hindi talaga siya yung mahirapan pag may therapy siya. So, which is good. At good rin na meron pang therapy na, speech and therapy na magaganap kay Kuya Christian. At least Kuya Christian gonna speak properly now. Hope so, because kasi dami ako narinig na kahit may speech therapy, das lang ganun pa din. Parang wala pa rin doon nangyari. It's up to you talaga na parents na magturuan na magsalita sa bahay yung bata. But let's see, kasi baka naman may mga learning dito na yun makaka-help din kay Kuya Christian, guys, no? No, guys, no. So guys, ito pala yung mga tinapay na ginawa ko. Spanish pandimongo. Yan, ginawa namin ni Ayla kahapon. Ang bigat niya guys, madaming flour, bigat ng flour. 4 na yan. Ibigay ko kay Kura yung iba. Kasi ang dami, hindi ko maubos. So yeah, we just wait lang kay Kuya Christian, nababa siya. Kasi napakainin namin siya mamaya. At manood tayo ng Chelly today. Lazy day, it's Monday. Yeah. So yeah guys, anuhin natin mamaya si Kuya Christian. Update ko kayo guys mamaya. Say cheesy! Hapking! Yummy Ayla, kumakain na ang baby guys. Ready na si Ayla ng solid. Ayan. Tapos si Kuya Christian, kumakain na din siya, nag-request siya ng kanyang food. Mabuti nga, nag-ask siya ng food niya kasi gutom na siguro siya. Ito na. Slowly. Yummy. Yummy. Yum, yum, yum. Naku, Ayla. Dalok-dalok man si Ayla, guys. Oh. Sarap? Sarap, Ayla? Sarap ng porridge. Lugaw ito, guys. Yung, tapos may, ano siya, saging. At saka gatas. Kasi gusto niya, oh. Upsi. Upsi. Nakatingin pa yung Kuya Christian. Yummy? Yeah. Is it yummy, your food? Okay, you keep eating ha, para okay ka na ha. Para wala nang sakit ha. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. Si Christian ay medyo hindi pa magaling. There you go.